Good evening. Today we're going to study Microsoft Excel and we're going to look at analyzing data. And here are the standards. We're going to select a range, use autofill and autosum, and understand the difference between them, autofill and autosum, and sort least to greatest alphabetical order and filter data. So this is the standards, and in plain English, we will learn to select a group of cells, find the average number in a group of cells, and organize cells. I think we've done this before in another chapter, so it shouldn't be that hard. Okay. Be working on what we did before. Okay, here is, let me make sure that this is running. Yes, okay, here is these are the student scores for 3 tests: the first test, the second test, and the third test. Which test did the class do better on? Try to guess first without doing the math. Which test did they do better on? Take a minute to think about that, and then I will give you the answer. You can pause the video if you need to. Okay, on these tests, some students did better on the first test. Other students did better on the second or third. So look at this. This kid got better on this one, but then the second one he didn't do as well. She didn't do so well, but she did better on the next one. So I want to find out the average of how the students did. The average is similar to the middle score of how a student did. The average lets us compare the 3 tests. To find the average, we add up the test scores and divide by the number of people. So there's 5 people. We add them together. And the average generally tells us how the students did. So try to find the averages of each column and pause this and add these together. Find the averages. Okay, and were your predictions correct? And why do you think that test had an higher average than other tests? Which one was the highest and why? So pause for a minute, answer that question, and we will come back and answer it. Okay, so let me bring this up. Once again, we will learn to select a group of cells, find the average number in a group of cells, and sort A to Z. Okay, so let me bring this back up. Now, Excel has many tools to analyze data. Analyzing data means looking closely and carefully at the information to answer questions. To analyze data in Excel, we need to select the specific information we want to take a look at. For example, I want to analyze the test scores by only finding the average. To find the average, I can use the average formula. The average formula is here. Look at this. The formula is a math equation you can use to calculate numbers. So let me see. Click on bill cell B7. I'm going to click on B7. Then I'm going to type, I'm going to have to use a formula. Oh, no. So formulas, don't panic. Formulas are not too hard. Let me see how much time I have left. So let me go back here. So the formula is equals. I'm going to type an equal sign. That means that I put it in the formula bar. I'm going to type equals, and then I'm going to type average. Okay. And now I need to enter the range. A range is a group of cells. To calculate the average on the first test, the range is all the test scores we need for the first test. To type a range, type the name of the top cell and the bottom cell. So the top cell is B2. Look at this. There's B2. Oops. And then bottom cell, colon, and then the bottom cell, B6. Okay, and then leave the formula. Okay, save the formula.